I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add forms to WordPress. First, you'll want to select a reliable form builder plugin. Many options are available, offering different features for various needs, from simple contact forms to complex surveys. Consider what kind of information you need to collect and how you want to present it. This initial step is crucial for a smooth setup process and ensures your form functions exactly as intended for your website visitors. When selecting a form plugin, consider popular choices like WP Forms or Gravity Forms, known for their user-friendly interfaces. Look for features such as a drag-and-drop builder, which makes form design incredibly simple, and conditional logic for dynamic fields. Also, ensure the plugin integrates well with other tools you might use, like email marketing platforms, to streamline your workflow and data management effectively. Once you've chosen your plugin, install and activate it directly from your WordPress dashboard. Then, navigate to the plugin's dedicated section to begin building your form. You'll typically use a visual builder to add various fields, such as text inputs for names, email addresses, and larger text areas for messages. Remember to customize each field's label and set any necessary validation rules to ensure you collect accurate and complete information. After creating your form, the next step is to embed it onto your WordPress site. Most plugins provide a shortcode or a specific block for the block editor, making placement straightforward. Simply add this to any page or post where you want your form to appear. Before making your page live, always test the form thoroughly by submitting a few entries yourself to confirm it's working perfectly and collecting data as expected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.